Hi guys, my name is Amy, or Amylouise. I am a professional trained makeup artist of 13 years and my entire channel is based on helping you grow and develop your skills and just get really good at makeup, whether that is just playing with makeup or you want to train to be a makeup artist, you want to do online courses, you want to go to college, or you just want to, you know, play about. Like, it's cool. Like, do whatever you want to do. Like, that is my aim, is just to impart my knowledge and wisdom so that you can develop your existing skills or just learn new skills. So today I'm going to show you the 2-brush 1 shadow technique. This will work with any shadow. You can use this with metallics, you can use this with shimmers, although technically I don't really do that often. Usually it's just mattes. But you can do this with whatever shadow that you want, any colour, literally anything. I've done this with bronzer, I've done this with blush, I've done this with eyeshadow, I've even used a contour before when I just wanted like a really cool toned smoky eye. This is so quick, so easy, and it's just, it just is amazing. It's one of those things that if you're in a rush and you just want to get out but you want to, you know, have eyeshadow on, you can do this and it just works. So what you're going to need is 2 fluffy brushes. You're going to want a smaller one and a bigger one. These are the Morphe M456 and the M441. You don't need these brushes, you can use whatever you've got, but you want a small fluffy brush and a larger fluffy brush, and you can see the difference right there. So two fluffy brushes, one smaller, one bigger, and whatever eyeshadow that you want. Now I have already primed my eye with the Amylouise base number 2. I'm just going to tap out those creases. Okay, so the smaller brush first off, go into whichever shadow that you want to use, tap off the excess, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to build this into my crease. So circular motions through the crease. You can go back and forth, circular motions, whatever you feel comfortable with, and just build it up in the crease. Now you've got your shadow on, it doesn't need to be like perfect. Take your bigger fluffier brush and go into the exact same shadow, and then just blend those edges. I'm going to go back to the smaller brush, go back into that crease just to create a little bit more definition. Because you're using a smaller brush, you'll get a more concentration of the pigment, and then the larger brush will give you more of a hazy amount and you won't pick up as much pigment. I'm going to take my finger in that shade again and I'm just going to wipe it right over my lid, because again, using your finger you're going to get a different amount of pigment. You've got different pressure, you've got a solid surface, so you're going to get more pigment anyway, but also your fingers are different temperature, so again you're changing the effect of the shadow. You can then go back in with a brush and just blend out those edges, and then your bigger brush again. Now if you want to go and get a 3rd brush, or just another big fluffy brush, nothing on it, you can then go over the edges. This is not totally necessary, but you know. I'm just going to slide my finger across because I have quite an oily skin prep on. I can just wipe that away, see that, and get a nice smooth edge, and then it's just a case of adding lashes and mascara and my base makeup on. You can see the gradient between the shadows. It is so quick, so easy, and it is one of those things that just it's quick, it's simple, it's effective. I will be right back with the finished look once my base and my lips and my hair are on. Okay, so this is the look with my base on. If you want to see how I did this base, there is a video, either the one before this or the one next. I've just literally just filmed it, so I don't know which order I'm gonna do it in, but it'll either be the one before or the one after this video. But this is the look with a full base on. It doesn't look strange, it doesn't look weird, the fact that you've only got one shade. It looks like a planned out look, like that you've used several different shades of the same colour with. I've not done anything on the lower lash line except for mascara, and I just tidied that edge up like I said. Other than that, there's really nothing different about the look, but I thought you'd like to see the look with a full face on, because just eyeshadow can look a little bit weird. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you liked it. I know it was a quick one, but I mean, not every video needs to be like half an hour long, right? But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think. Do you want to give this a go? Have you given this a go? Is this something you already do? There's like a hair floating. Hey, I got it. It was a hair floating. Yeah, this is everything. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't already, hit a subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.